Okay, now in this video, I want to quickly just show you what it looks like after your students have turned in their assignments. You can see how you can monitor student progress and student understanding. So I went back into my sample class. Here's the home page. I'm going to go to classwork. I see that my one student has turned in the assignment. So I'll click on that student. I can see I've completed the assignment. I'll click on it. Now, since I made a copy for each specific student, each student's going to have their own copy of this in which they completed it. So I can see my completed slides. I can grade it and give them a point value. I can add comments to it. Then when I'm finished, I can return it to the student with their grade. But you can see that all the things that I went through and completed as a student are completed. I can see that the ones that I didn't complete are not done yet, so I can leave comments. If you want to write on the slides, you can also write on it and then return it to them with the writing, and it will save that to you. So if I go to the line here, so say my student made a mistake, I can go to the line and go to scribble, and then I can circle the mistake. I can add comments in here with like a text box and say not a cube. And then when you send it back to the students, they can see all your comments and things like that. So this is great as like a formative assessment to check understanding after you've taught them the skill. But this is what it'll look like. You'll see all their completed work just like this when you go through, and then I'll give that student a grade, and I can change the point value in Google Classroom and return it to them so they can see everything that I've done. So hopefully this gave you a good idea of what it will look like on your end and what it'll look like to the students. Thank you for downloading my 3D Shape Google Slides activity.